क्या है भाई?
भाई खेत चाहिए थी।
सूटा उधर मिले यार।
अरे नहीं यार सूटा नहीं चाहिए भाई। भाई थोड़े से पैसे दे दे प्लीज, दोस्त को घर से आते ही लौटा दूंगा।
कितने थोड़े?
500 थोड़े।
500? इतने पैसों में क्या करेगा?
भाई डेट पे जा रहा था, इंपीरियल क्राउन होटल, बस 500 कम पड़ रहे, पक्का से लौटा दूंगा। तू तो भाई अपना।
इंपीरियल क्राउन? किसके साथ?
भाई स्नेहा।
स्नेहा कौन?
स्नेहा गुप्ता।
स्नेहा गुप्ता। हाँ अच्छा।
क्यों, क्या हुआ?
नहीं नहीं, कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं।
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Of course, this way. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Which soup would you be having?
Which soup do you recommend?
I recommend the broccoli almond soup.
Okay, then I'll take the broccoli almond soup.
We'll have a broccoli almond soup and one tomato soup.
So, one broccoli almond soup and one tomato soup.
I must say that's a very boring choice.
Yeah. What's funny?
Nothing. So, is this your first date ever?
Yeah. And yours?
Nah, not really.
So
So,
tell me something about yourself.
I got nothing. पहले तुम बताओ.
I never really have an answer to that question. I don't know which things to tell and which ones to leave out. I miss having the what do you call it? The filter.
Well, that's a good thing, right? I don't want the filtered version of you either. So tell me whatever comes to your mind.
Go on, fire away.
I am not interested in all the superficial details.
Yeah, then you better not ask me my GPA.
No, I mean all the ridiculous details like what is your favorite food, what are your hobbies,
Yeah, like which is your favorite movie?
favorite song,
Favorite color?
can you cook,
Are you vegetarian?
are you an atheist,
Do you smoke?
do you drink?
Are you a virgin?
Probably not that one. But हाँ, तुम इन डिटेल से किसी को जज नहीं कर सकते. You need more to go on.
Definitely.
So, why do you want to be in a relationship?
Who said I do?
Isn't it quite obvious?
I don't know. To share a part of my life with someone special, I guess.
Okay, so hypothetically, you are in a relationship with a girl.
Wow. Never thought the word hypothetical could hurt that much. But go on.
Now, if you imagine this relationship as a, say, car.
Car?
Yes, a car. Who do you think drives the car? The boy or the girl?
Definitely not the girl. मुझे अपनी जान बहुत प्यारी है. Wait, is this some sort of a test where you check if I'm a sexist or not? Because I swear I'm not. I was just kidding.
Would you just answer the question, please?
Honestly, दोनों को ही drive करनी चाहिए. If only one person drives it, he's bound to be tired. So it is nice to have a backup driver. Two drivers on one journey. It just makes things much easier. Am I making any sense here?
A little. So, what you're trying to say is both of them should drive it equally.
Actually, I'd rather have a car with two steering wheels.
No, that would definitely cause accidents. We don't want that.
Check please.
Amit, do you really believe what you said about the relationship car?
I'm confused. Is this a trick question? Because I already said yes.
Okay, then today I want to drive it.
I don't understand how.
This is how.
What? And why would I let you do that?
Why can't I?
You can, but
But what? Do I not have the right to pay because I'm a girl? Is that why?
no, but I can't let you pay. Okay, if you want to pay, we split the bill. Equal rights.
So the choice is either you pay or we split the bill. That is a very male chauvinistic thing to say.
But why do you want to pay so bad?
Because I want to.
Reason बताओ.
Just no reason.
No, of course there's a reason. Tell me why.
Would you just let it go?
No, now I really have to know.
Because I know.
You know what?
I know that you are broke, that you borrowed money from people to take me out on this date. And that's very sweet of you.
Who told you this?
You know Rohan Gupta? Yeah, he's kind of my brother from another mother.
Brother from another mother. Hold on. So what you're saying is he's your best friend?
Not really.
You just said he is.
I said kind of.
What do you mean?
I mean, he is my brother, Sneha Gupta, Rohan Gupta, strike a chord.
God. You're kidding, right? How am I supposed to know?
Then as a general thumb rule, don't borrow money from guys having the same last name as the girl you're taking out.
Guptaj. That eliminates half of the people I know. Then why didn't he tell me before?
Well, he was gonna tell you, but तुम्हें intimidate नहीं करना चाहता था. Don't worry, he's the coolest brother ever.
He was the coolest brother ever because he's so dead now.
उससे blame मत करो, तुम्हें अपनी research करनी चाहिए थी.
Why didn't you tell me before? Do you know how scared I was?
Scared? Why?
Scared of the bill, of course. मैं यहाँ टमेटो सूप जैसी सस्ती सस्ती चीजें ढूंढ के ऑर्डर कर रहा हूँ और तुम वहाँ ब्रोकली आलमंड सूप और पता नहीं क्या क्या. पता भी है बादाम कितने के आते हैं? 900 रुपए किलो.
Well, you suffered because तुमने assume कर लिया कि बिल तुम ही पे करोगे. बिल स्प्लिट करने का आइडिया भी नहीं आया तुम्हारे दिमाग में.
मैडम भले मुझे इस फील्ड में जीरो एक्सपीरियंस है लेकिन मुझे इतना जरूर पता है that on a date the guys are always expected to pay.
And what are the girls expected to do? Look pretty. और क्या बताती मैं तुम्हें? वो अमित, वो पैसे, वो मेरा भाई. I didn't tell you because मैं तुम्हें embarrass नहीं करना चाहती थी.
You're doing a pretty good job doing that.
You don't have to be embarrassed. I paid today, you can pay the next time. One journey, two drivers, remember?
Right. Wait, what? So there is going to be next time?
And Amit, please don't tell Rohan that I paid. Can you give me a second? Hello? हाँ निधि. Yes, it went well. Oh यार चल, thanks for the money. I'll talk to you later. Bye.